Yo, YouTube, what's the word? It's your boy, man, Cuts. Listen, y'all see the title. Y'all probably think I was clickbaiting and doing some other crazy stuff, but nah. We for real. We got action. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know. I'm not going to say everybody know, but my OG subscribers, y'all know. I have never been a fan of the Slimlines. I purchased them and I gave them right away. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't do nothing with them. They didn't hit. They wasn't doing what I needed them to do. But I'm going to give these guys right here a try, just off the simple fact, you know what I'm saying? They got that GTX blade on. And y'all know I love the GTX blade. Y'all know how I get down with that one. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to see what it's about for real. Because some barbers say them Jones like that. Some barbers say them Jones is no bueno. You know what I mean? But the barbers that say they like that, they've been using the Slimline since forever. You know what I'm saying? But the barbers that say them Jones is no bueno, we ain't never got along with the Slimlines. But I'm going to give it a try. If I don't like it, I might get these away. You know what I'm saying? I don't know yet, but I might. If y'all want to, you know what I'm saying, get these, let me know in the comment section. But let's get into the video. If you new, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. Let's get it. Alright, so look, I'm not even gonna sit here and beat around the bush. We're gonna get right into it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna open this guy up, and y'all already know what a Slimline comes with, you know, the packaging. Look, we don't need that, we're gonna throw that over there. But you get your trimmer, get your charger connector, your oil, your guard that nobody ever really uses, and then you get your charging dock, you know what I'm saying? But we ain't worried about nothing besides the trimmer, honestly, you know what I'm saying? We're getting right to the point. I'm not gonna beat around the bush, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. I'm gonna tell y'all my opinion, even though it's biased. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna make something shake. So first, I'm gonna give y'all a sound test. I'm gonna take the clipper, the trimmer blade cover off, and we're gonna give y'all a sound test real quick. I already removed this, so 3, 2, 1. And if you guys see that oil right there on the blade right here, this is the oil that comes from the factory. I haven't used this trimmer yet at all. You know what I'm saying? And let me see something real quick. So off the bat, this trimmer does not come zero gap whatsoever. I'm gonna show y'all that up close. It might look like it's zero gap on camera, but I promise you in person it's not. Especially not to my liking. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them things, some barbers, they might can use it like this, but me, no, absolutely not. You know what I mean? I don't have a heavier touch when I go to line people up, so I like to set mine not all the way at 0, but I like to set up just a hair under 0. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. But I am gonna say I'm disappointed. I thought ANDIS, especially having the GTX blade on this trimmer right here, would send you the blade, you know, pretty much zero gap almost completely. Because if you haven't seen my welcome back vlog, I will leave that in the description. You can go check that out. I purchased a pair of wall retro T-cuts. And you know, they came, I mean, if I wasn't using them for a soft trimmer, I definitely feel like I could just, fresh out of the box, take them out of the box, man, and just get some nice precision and sharp lines, you know what I'm saying? And with this blade right here, nah, I don't feel like I can do that. And just off the sound, I guess it kind of sounds powerful in your hand, the vibration and the torque, I guess you can say. It definitely feel like it has more power than what it sounds like. But the real test, man, is gonna be when I zero gap them and I put them to work. If they don't do what I need them to do, I probably will give these away. So what I'm thinking, and y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all messing with this idea or not. When we hit 1,000, if I'm not using these, and then again, if I am using them, I still might do that. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I might give away a pair of Slimline Pro Allies with the GTX blade on it. You know what I'm saying? And might throw in a little clipper here and there, but y'all gotta stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna make something shake. So we're about to cut this camera off. I'm about to zero gap it. I'm gonna show y'all how close I have my blades set, and then I'm gonna show you how they're hit. I pray that they hit, because I do love the way the Slimline looks. I'm not gonna lie. I like the lightweight. It definitely would be convenient for cutting kids, elderly people as well. You know what I'm saying? But the OG Slimlines let me down, so I'm really not looking too much into, you know, kind of getting my hopes up for this trimmer. You know what I'm saying? The only reason I really got it because it got the GTX blade on, and like I said in the beginning, Y'all know I get down with that GTX blade, man. That's my favorite blade that Andis has ever made. It just is precise. It cuts sharp lines, no hesitations, no snagging, no none of that. You know what I'm saying? And in that deeper tooth, you can hear that hair crunching. You know what I'm saying? You can get that with the standard TI liner blade, but that GTX blade, I certify. So if you debating on which blade to get the GTX blade. Let's make it happen. We about to zero gap right now, so we out. So I wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys this right here. So you see under that ANDIS, that 00, that means this is a stainless steel blade. And I noticed on other reviews that I have watched, I have never seen anybody point this out right here. And as you guys can see, this is a stainless steel GTX blade. And this is a regular GTX blade on a GTX clipper, just skeleton. You see what I'm saying? It doesn't come with that 00 marking on it. So honestly, if the slimlines don't do what it do, I'm thinking about taking this blade off right here and slapping it on my regular GTXs and just seeing, you know, if I can tell a difference in the way they cut, or if they more, you know, sharper, or just anything. I just want to see if it's a difference, because honestly, this is my first stainless steel GTX blade. Normally I get stainless steel Styleliner 2 blades, you know what I'm saying? So seeing that right there just made me really give this trimmer some hope. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. I really do feel like this trimmer might do some crazy and amazing things, you know what I mean? So y'all just stay tuned, man. We got a zero gap, as you guys can see, and we're gonna see if we're gonna make these things shake, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's lock in. Okay, so right here I'm literally just putting the trimmer to the test. This is right after I zero gapped it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is probably like a week and a half after I got a haircut, and man, I'm very impressed with this trimmer right here. Compared to the original Slimlines, I'm giving them a thumbs up. So if you're debating about getting the original Slimlines or getting the GTX Slimlines, I'm telling you, go with the GTX Slimlines. In the next clip I'm going to show you guys, man, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting a neckline on my grandfather, and they're leaving some nice crispy lineups. You know what I'm saying? The only downfall I would say, I don't feel like they have enough power, you know what I'm saying? So if you're trying to, you know, edge up through a lot of bulk, I don't feel like this would be the right trimmer to use. But if you just have a little cleanup room to do, or, you know, some fine tuning, or some just fine hair, you know what I'm saying, and this is your go-to. So that's my verdict on it. I hope you learned something new. If you're new, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I know you've been going crazy to this beat the entire time. My producer, he is like that. I will link all his information in the description. Y'all go and show some love. Tell him Main Cuts the Barber sent you. And until next time, y'all be blessed.